Hey everybody, John here, Vapor Honing Technology. Everything about this motor has been done here in the showroom. Every single part, inside and out. And that's what I love about this process. It's revolutionary, it's game changing. For all of you who are rebuilding engines, whether you're just rebuilding them daily as a mechanic or you're rebuilding something to a restoration level quality, this is what you have to have. You have to have vapor honing equipment to do that. And also you need the Hydroblast parts washer, because I cannot tell you how many times I just parts washed the parts inside, the internal parts. High pressure using heat and an aqueous based cleaner makes this process so much easier and so much faster. Same as over here, all the frame parts were prepped in the vapor hone using an aggressive abrasive. We actually polished up the handlebars. We prepped everything for paint, and we polished using the vapor hone with a different abrasive, and then we parts washed anything that we didn't want to vapor hone or paint. Having these machines at your fingertips helps you do this so much faster.